All right, charge controllers. Do you need a charge controller? If you got a battery bank, then you got to have a charge controller. The charge controller takes the solar inputs and it basically monitors the batteries. And when the batteries are fully charged or getting close to fully charged, they limit the amount of power that is pushed to the batteries. So basically, if the batteries are full, these will go down and start limiting how much power they let go through to the batteries. These down here, these are just basically on-off switches coming from the solar. So you've got your solar coming down, the PV wires coming down here, and then the positive side is going to these just shut off. So basically I can shut this off like this, like that. And that machine right there now does not see any power off the solar. Okay, turn it back on, and now it's back. It'll register that it has power. Okay, and then all these still have power. The sun's pretty much going down right now, so there's not much wattage there. But even with the sun going down or behind those trees, I'm getting 1,013, getting about almost 1,900 watts, and the sun's not even up really on them. It's just daylight. So those are charge controllers, and there's more videos in there that talk more about talks more about them. But your negative side of the batteries come in on one side inside of this. They don't come into the shut-off valve. Only the positive side does, and that's what they do. Okay, that's charge controllers.